In this video, we will go over the Chords tool, which becomes available in Level 5 of Song Builder. The Chords tool allows you to view pitch labels for the selected part and change the chord of a measure, which changes that measure's default pitches. For example, changing a measure's chord from C major to E flat major will make every default E pitch E flat. An important note: the Chords tool is primarily helpful for songs using the pentatonic setting. To change a measure's chord, click on the Chords tool in the right-hand toolbar. A yellow rectangle containing a chord name will appear above each measure. Click on the yellow rectangle above the measure whose chords you'd like to change. A list of common chords will appear. You can also click on the Uncommon button to view uncommon chords. The common chords are those that fit most comfortably in the selected key signature, while the uncommon chords are a little more adventurous. Select the chord you would like to use, and the measure's chord will change and be reflected in the yellow rectangle. To exit the Chords tool, simply click on the icon in the right-hand toolbar.